Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of basic concept regarding the Descartes rule with some example also. Okay. The last class I have given how to find out the number of sign change in coefficient. Here now we are moving to discuss about how to count the positive real roots and negative real roots. If it example, so p of x is equal to some values, for example minus alpha 1, then positive beta 1, negative beta 2, then gamma 1, negative gamma 3, then negative alpha 3. We have some number of term is there. For example, the positive from this p of x, how to count in the positive real roots, how to count the positive real values. So positive real roots is equal to 1, that is called beta 1, then gamma 1, only 2, isn't it? So negative real roots is equal to minus alpha 1, minus beta 2, minus gamma 3. This is minus alpha 3, isn't it? This is called, totally how many negative real roots is there? 4 is there. Instead of positive x, if we convert for the p of minus x, means each and every value into minus value change it for positive value change out for negative. First one minus alpha 1 is there, so we can write it positive alpha 1. Positive beta 1 is there, so we can write it negative beta 1. Then negative beta 2, I written for positive beta 2. Already positive gamma 1 is there, I can write it negative gamma 1. Then negative gamma 3 is there, so I will write it positive gamma 3. Then negative alpha 3 is there, I will write it for positive alpha 3. Now we can count it. So how to find out the positive real roots? You can count it alpha 1, then beta 2, then gamma 3, then alpha 3 is equal to totally 4 is there. Then how to find out the negative real roots? Is equal to negative beta 1, so negative gamma 1, totally true value is there. This is the difference between how to find out the positive real roots and negative real roots. Then I will continuation of, as per your book they are given attainment of bounds with one example. Okay, I will prove it, because already I told you one of the main condition, number of sign change in positive real roots cannot be more than number of sign change. For example, the condition actually number of sign change always greater than positive real roots, or positive real roots less than number of sign change. That is a condition. Okay, I will prove it this word with one example as per your book. Okay, listen. Attainment of bounds. Given p of x is equal to one value is there, p of x is equal to x plus 1 into then x minus 1, so x minus 2, then x plus I into x minus I, the whole value equal to for 0 means, so each and every value equal to 0 means what will happen? X plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1, x minus 1 bring out opposite sign means positive 1, minus 2 bring out opposite sign means negative 2, positive I bring out opposite sign means negative I bring out opposite sign means positive I. So from this value, what are the positive real roots? Okay, so positive real roots is equal to, what are the value? Positive real roots 1 and 2 is equal to totally 2 is there. Then negative real roots is equal to negative real roots, no need to consider for the imaginary. Negative real roots only 1 is there, that is called negative 1 is equal to totally 1 is there. So first we have to simplify it. Simplify means what will happen? Actually p of x is equal to p of x a plus b into a minus, because x plus 1 into x minus 1 means A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So, we can write it x square minus 1. Next condition as it is x minus 2. The last one also x plus I into x minus I, that is also a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square form. So, x square minus I square will come. Already we know I square is equal to value will be minus 1. So, minus into minus plus 1 will come. Now, the first term and last term equating a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, x power 4 minus 1, then x minus 2. So, if you remove the bracket means what will happen? X power 4 into x means x to the power 5, minus 2 into x to the power 4 means minus 2 x to the power 4, minus 1 into x means minus x, therefore minus into minus plus 2. Now we can check it, number of sign change actually, p of positive x means, so positive negative 1 sign change, negative to negative no sign change, negative to positive. So number of sign change is equal to only 2, isn't it? So now p of minus x means what will happen? So p of minus x is equal to, instead of x I can consider for minus x whole to the power 5, then minus 2 into minus x the whole to the power 4, again minus of minus x plus 2. There what will happen? Already we know the power value odd number means negative, repeat, negative x to the power 5, there is power 4 is there, that is called even number. So negative convert for positive, already we have common minus, therefore we can write it minus 2 x to the power 4, again minus into minus positive x, the last one as it is. Here we can check it, minus 2 minus, no sign change, isn't it? There is no sign change. Again minus 2 plus 1 sign change, there plus 2 plus no sign change. Therefore, number of sign change is equal to only 1. You can check it, already I told you what is the meaning. Number of positive real roots cannot be more than number of sign change. Here we have how many positive real roots is there? 2 is there. So, cannot be more than means number of sign change, how many number of sign change in positive real roots? Only true. So, we can the result, the positive real roots may be true or greater than 2, never less than 2, that is our condition. So, we have the number of positive real roots also 2 is there. So, condition is satisfied. So, second term also, if you consider for the negative means what will happen? Negative means number of sign change only 1 is there. Look at there, negative real roots, what the value is there? 1 is there. So, I hope now you understand how to find out number of positive roots with number of sign change as well as number of negative real roots comparing with the number of sign change. Okay. So, I will continue some example question, be stay on the line. What is the question? 3.30, show that, okay, the polynomial 9x to the power 9 plus 2x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 minus 7x square plus 2 has at least 6 imaginary root. First you have to check it, how many cases possible. From the cases you have to show that actually 6 imaginary root, okay. Can write it once again the question, solution 9 x to the power 9 plus 2x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 minus 7x square plus 2. This is considered for p of x means is equal to, first starting with the positive, no, positive to positive, no sign change, positive to negative 1 sign change, negative to negative no sign change, negative to positive only 1 sign change, can write it 1. Therefore, number of sign change is equal to 1 and 1. So, number of sign change is equal to true. Instead of positive x, consider for minus x means what will happen? 9 of minus x whole to the power 9 plus 2 into minus x the whole to the power of 5, again minus of minus x whole to the power 4, then minus 7 into minus x whole square plus 2. Now, minus x the whole to the power of 9 means definitely odd, power of value odd number means negative sign repeat. So, minus 9x to the power 9, there is also negative. So, negative 2x to the power 5, here also power even number. So, negative to convert for positive, therefore, minus x to the power 4, here also power of the value square. Therefore, minus 7x square, then plus 2. Now we can check it. Negative to negative, no sign change. Negative to negative, no sign change. Negative to negative, no sign change. Negative to positive, only one sign change. Therefore, we can write the number of sign change in negative real roots. Number of sign change is equal to only 1, isn't it? Only 1. So, we have to show actually 6 imaginary units, isn't it? So, case now we can write it case, how many cases possible? 1 and 2 cases. Why I am writing 1 and 2? Because already we have number of sign change in positive real roots. 2 means it will be decreasing per 2. So, 2 minus 2. Again 2 minus 2 means 0 only is there. So, no need to write. So, that is why I have written for only 2. If you have the number of sign change 4 means definitely 3 cases possible. How? 4 minus 2. Again 2 minus 2 also 0 cases also possible. Here only 2 is there. That is why I consider for only 1 and 2. Then positive how many real roots, then negative how many real roots, and imaginary and total. Total we have actually highest power of degree 9 is there. So, case number 1 also total 9, as well as case number 2 also total will be 9. So, possible cases, first one positive real roots in 2. So, negative we found actually only 1. Imaginary balance means 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, how many number will be add means equal to 9? 6. So, you can write it the 6 in imaginary. So, next case number 2 definitely 2 minus 2 0. So, negative real roots actually 1 minus 2 means minus 1 will come, minus 1 means we can write it positive 1. Here totally how many imaginary roots will come? Definitely if you have to write it 8, then only the total 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So, but we have to show actually the condition is clearly case number 1 we can write it, because the condition also, question also show that the polynomial 6 imaginary roots. So, case number 1 it's suitable cases. Therefore, case number 1 totally 6 imaginary units. Totally 6 imaginary units. This is answer for example 3.30. So, okay, I will continue the next example. So, 3.31 isn't it? The last example. This is actually 3.31. Question given 2 subdivision. Okay, one by one we can discuss. So, discuss the nature of the roots of the following polynomials. Subdivision 1. Question x to the power 2018 plus 1947 into x to the power 1950 plus 15 x to the power 8 plus 26 x to the power 6, then 2019 constant. This is considered for p of x, means x is equal to the positive, no positive to positive, no sign change. There is positive to positive, no sign change, no sign change, again positive to positive, no sign change. Therefore, the first one positive real roots, number of sign change is equal to 0. So, number of sign change is equal to 0. P of minus x also, look at there. P of minus x, already I told you, if you have the power of the value even number means the sign will be repeat, the same sign. Here each and every value even number 2018, 1950, 8, 6, all the number is even number. If you do instead of x minus x means the power of the value even number is this. So, minus is convert for positive. Here also each and every common sign also positive. So, there is no sign change. We can write the same answer, x to the power 2018 plus 1947 x to the power 1950 plus 15 x to the power 8, 26 x to the power 6 plus 2019. Therefore, P of minus x also there is nothing to sign change. Therefore, we can write a number of sign change is equal to 0. This is considered for equation number 1. This is considered for equation number 2, means from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 there is no sign change. There is no sign change. So, definitely we can say there is no positive real roots, there is no negative real roots. Therefore, all the roots are imaginary. Therefore, all the roots are imaginary. Okay, all the roots are imaginary. Subdivision 1 is over. Moving to subdivision 2. Subdivision, that is plus 11, isn't it? So subdivision 2, x to the power 5 minus 19 x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 5x square plus 11. This is considered for p of x, means what will happen? So plus 2 minus 1 sign change, minus 2 plus 1 sign change, plus 2 plus no sign change, again plus 2 plus no sign change. Therefore, in positive real roots, the number of sign change is equal to 2. Number of sign change is equal to 2. Then p of minus x means what will happen? P of minus x means minus x the whole to the power 5. So minus 19 into minus x the whole to the power 4 plus 2 into minus x the whole to the power of cube plus 5 into minus x the whole square plus 11. Now the power of the value odd number. So odd number means negative sign repeat. We can write it negative x to the power 5 minus 19 x to the power 4, again minus 2x cube plus 5x square plus 11. Now check it. Minus 2 minus no sign change, minus 2 minus no sign change, minus 2 plus 1 sign change, plus 2 plus no sign change. So in negative real roots, the number of sign change is equal to number of sign change only 1. So case number 2 case is possible because positive real roots we have 2 sign changes there. So case positive and negative, imaginary and total. So case number 1 and case number 2, there is positive real roots 2, negative real roots 1. So definitely total highest power 5 is there. So second case also total 5 means there is 0, 1 possible. So the second case 4 imaginary root, first case true. So which one is suitable? We can check it. Okay. What are the possible cases? Actually x to the power 5 minus 19 x to the power 4. So case number 1 and case number 2, first we can check it. Sum of coefficient, what the value? If you have the result, the sum of coefficient is equal to 0 means definitely positive 1 roots possible. So if it positive 1 roots possible means definitely the second case is not possible. We can check it. So sum of coefficient, what the value? So sum of coefficient is equal to sum of coefficient is equal to first one 1 minus 19 positive true, then positive 5 plus 11. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16, 16 plus 2 is equal to 18, 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. 19 minus 19 is equal to 0. See, if you have the result sum of coefficient is equal to 0 means we can sure one positive real roots because x is equal to 1 is a root. Negative means sum of odd coefficient is equal to sum of even coefficient. Here sum of coefficient also 0 values. So x is equal to 1. 1 means we can say positive real roots possible. There is actually second case no positive real roots. So definitely we can say case number 1 from case number 1. How many positive real roots? So positive real roots is equal to true. The negative real roots is equal to 1. Negative real roots is equal to 1. So imaginary roots is equal to true. Imaginary roots is equal to true. This is answer for subdivision true. Okay, I will continue the last exercise from chapter number 3. Question number 1 from exercise 3.6. Discuss the maximum possible number of positive and negative of the roots of the polynomial equation. So maximum positive and negative means first we have to check it in positive real roots how many number of sign change. If you have number of sign change 5 means what will happen? What are the possible cases? 5 possible cases. 5 minus 2 means 3 possible cases and 3 minus 2 means 1 possible cases. So 3 possible cases means 5, 3, 1 is there. What is the number of maximum? 5. That is answer for this question. We have to check it first, okay? So solution P of x, that is called positive, 9x to the power 9 minus 4x to the power 8 plus 4x to the power 7 minus 3x to the power 6 plus 2x to the power 5 plus x cube plus 7x square plus 7x plus 2. So positive to negative 1 sign change, negative to positive 1 sign change, positive to negative 1 sign change, negative to positive 1 sign change, positive to positive no sign change, again positive to positive no sign change, last condition also positive to positive no sign change. So in positive real roots how many number of sign change? Number of sign change is equal to 4 is there. What are the possible cases? 4 possible and 4 minus 2 means 2 possible, 2 minus 2 and 0 also possible. So here 3 possible cases there, but we need actually maximum number of positive roots. So at most 4 possible roots, possible case. Okay, now moving to P of minus x. So P of minus x means 9 into minus x the whole to the power 9 minus 4 into minus x the whole to the power 8 plus 4 into minus x the whole to the power 7, then minus 3 into minus x the whole to the power 6 plus 2 into minus x the whole to the power 5, again minus x the whole to the power cube plus 7 into minus x the whole square, again plus 7 into minus 6, the last condition plus 2. So what will happen? This is power of odd number means definitely negative sign repeat, negative 9x to the power 9. There is actually even number, so negative means convert for positive, so minus 4x to the power 8. Again there is actually power of the value odd number, definitely negative 4x to the power 7. Last case this is power even number, so negative 3x to the power 6. Next condition odd number means negative 2x to the power 5. Here actually negative is there, so negative x cube. Next one plus 7x square, again minus 7x, last condition constant. So minus 2 minus no sign change, 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 again minus 2 minus no sign change. Now minus 2 positive 1 sign change, again positive to negative 1 sign change, negative to positive 1 sign change. There is positive to positive no sign change. In negative real roots number of sign change 1, 2 and 3. So number of sign change is equal to 3. So what are the possible cases? 3 minus 2. So 3 possible case and 1 possible case and 0 also possible cases. So 3 possible cases, but we need actually maximum. So definitely we can say in negative real roots maximum how many possible cases? Actually 3 positive, isn't it? Here answer we can write it at most 3 possible roots. Okay, this is answer for in negative real roots maximum value 3. in positive maximum real value possible roots actually 4. This is the answer for exercise 3.6 question number 1. I will continue the next question. Question number 2 from exercise 3.6. Discuss the maximum possible number of positive and negative zeros of the polynomial. Okay. The last question number 1 actually maximum possible positive and negative roots. There is zeros is there, but we have to draw in rough sketch also in graph. Okay. Do one by one. First condition, solution. So P of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So number of sign change plus 2 minus 1 sign change minus 2 plus 1 sign change. Therefore, number of sign change is equal to true. So what are the possible cases? True and 0 possible cases, but we need maximum. So we can write it possible, positive, real roots true. So possible, positive, real root is equal to true. Okay. If you consider P of minus x means what will happen? P of minus x means, so already we have the power value even number. See, even number means the same x square will be repeat. There is actually instead of x, consider for minus x means minus into minus plus 5x will come. Then positive 6. Here how many sign change? No sign change. Here also no sign change. Therefore, number of sign change is equal to number of sign change is equal to 0. So here actually the possible negative real roots actually only 0 is there. Okay. So now what we have to do? Draw the rough sketch. Rough sketch means consider for y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 is there. So sum product rule means the product means positive 6, sum means negative 5. What will happen? If you have the product positive sign means selected 2, both sign will be equal whether positive or negative. But if we have some negative sign means should we do more, both sign will be negative. Minus 3 and minus 2. So minus 3 into minus 2 means positive 6. Again minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, how to rewrite now? So y is equal to x minus 3 and x minus 2. So put y is equal to 0 means what will happen? X minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. The first condition x is equal to positive 3. So second case x is equal to positive 2. So here what are the possible coordinate point? 3 comma 0. Then here actually 2 comma 0. The basic condition here y is equal to value. Here constant is there. No, therefore put y is equal to 0 means what will happen? Y is equal to 0 means, so 0 definitely value will be, sorry, put x is equal to 0 dear. Put x is equal to 0 means definitely y is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 0 constant values. So y is equal to 6. Here also another one coordinate point 0 comma 6. So we have the 3 coordinate points. Just draw rough sketch. Okay. So the first case actually 0 comma 6. This is considered for x, this is considered for y means this is 0 comma 6. Next point 2 comma 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. So 2 comma 0. Next one 3 comma 0. Already this is actually the parabola. Parabola means we have the 4 type of the parabola. First one right side open parabola, second one left side open parabola, third one upward open parabola, fourth one downward open parabola. According to the equation it will be changing. Equation means if it consider for y square is equal to 4ax means it depends upon right side and left side. Then x square is equal to 4ay means upward open parabola and downward open parabola. But here we have y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square means definitely depends upon upward or downward. There is actually both of them will be positive side. So just we have to draw the meeting the point. It will depends upon the upward open parabola. So upward open parabola, what are the possible roots actually? X is equal to 2 and 3. This is answer for term 1, x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, I am moving to term 2. Term 2 means x square minus 5x plus 16. So P of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 16. Okay, this is actually positive to negative 1 sign change, negative to positive 1 sign change. Here also number of sign change is equal to number of sign change is equal to true. So possible positive real roots is equal to, therefore possible positive real roots is equal to true. Next one, P of minus x. So P of minus x means what will happen? Instead of x square we can take it negative. So negative x the whole square minus 5 into negative x plus 16. So negative x the power of even number means positive x square, again minus into minus plus 5x then 16. Here no sign change. So number of sign change is equal to 0. Therefore here actually possible negative real roots is equal to 0. So draw the rough sketch means first we have to consider for y. So y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 16. There is some product rule not possible. You have to take it basic quadratic form. A is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 5. So c is equal to 16. B square minus 4ac means what will happen? B square minus 4ac. B square means minus 5 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 16. Now minus 5 the whole square means positive 25. Again 16 into 4 means 64. So negative value will come, isn't it? So b square minus 4ac is equal to 39. Negative 39 means less than 0. If it answer less than 0 means no real roots. Definitely we can say it is imaginary. Okay. So imaginary means draw in rough sketch means definitely it won't meet in x-axis, that's all. But the same upward open parabola it won't meet. Let's check once again. So consider for put y is equal to 0 means what will happen actually? Already we have put x is equal to 0 means what are the point? Consider for y is equal to what the value? X square minus 5x plus 16. So put x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 16. So what are the coordinate point actually? 0 comma 16, isn't it? 0 comma 16. If you draw the coordinate rough sketch means, listen. So 0 and 16, x-axis and y-axis, it won't meet the x-axis. Okay, it will move on like that, it won't meet any x-axis, but that is called there is no real roots. Therefore we can say there is no real roots, that's all. This is answer for second term, x square minus 5x plus 16. Okay, I will continue the next question from exercise 3.6. Question number 3 from exercise 3.6, show that the equation x to the power 9 minus 5x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 is equal to 0 has at least 6 imaginary solution. Okay, this is already we are discussing one example question. I think the example you are 3.30. Here also the same concept. What we have to do, first one, consider for p of x means what will happen? X to the power 9 minus 5x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1. Number of sign change, plus 2 minus 1 sign change, minus 2 plus 1 sign change, plus 2 plus 2 plus no sign change. Therefore, number of sign change is equal to true. Again p of minus x means what will happen? Minus x is equal to, so minus x the whole to the power 9 minus 5 into minus x the whole to the power 5 plus 4 into minus x the whole to the power 4 plus 2 into minus x the whole square plus 1. Power of the value odd number. Odd number means negative sign as it is. Negative x to the power 9 plus 5 x to the power 5 my positive 4 x to the power 4 positive 2x square plus 1. Number of sign change minus 2 plus 1 sign change plus 2 plus no sign change plus 2 plus no sign change plus 2 plus no sign change. Therefore, number of sign change is equal to negative real roots. Number of sign change is equal to only 1. So, what are the possible cases? Case number 1, case positive, negative, imaginary and total. Total we have how many roots? 9 roots. So, case number 1, positive real roots, number of sign change is equal to true. Negative number of sign change is equal to 1. Case number 2, 2 minus 2 means 0 possible case, there is also 1. So, definitely 6 imaginary units. Case number 1, there is 8 imaginary units, then only 8 plus 1 is equal to total 9 roots will come. Therefore, from case number 1, so from case number 1, positive real roots is equal to true, then negative real roots is equal to 1, imaginary roots is equal to 6. Therefore, case number 1, P of x has at least 6 imaginary units. 6 imaginary unit. This is answer for question number 3, exercise 3.6. Okay. So, question number 4 and 5, do the homework. The same concept, determine number of positive and negative roots of the polynomial. This is same example like 3.31. Then exact number of real 0 of imaginary of the polynomial. Do it your own self. Okay. Do the homework. Okay. Question number 4 and 5. Okay. So, please listen my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am always with you. I am ready to clarify your doubts also. I will continue our next session, the new chapter, chapter number 4, the name also inverse trigonometric function. Okay. I will continue the next session. Bye bye.